Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Weight is on your left. You're gonna do right heel, bring it back, left heel, but you're gonna do a ball step, drag forward. Ball step, drag forward. Then you're gonna do right heel, left heel, ball step, and drag. So you're gonna repeat that step. So let's do right heel. You're gonna drop that left foot when you do. Left heel, ball step, drag. Let's do that by the count. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Your weight is on your left. You're gonna kick right, point left, kick left, point right, sailor quarter turn, lock step left. So it looks like this. Kick right, point left, kick left, point right. You're gonna sailor quarter turn to your right. So it looks like this. Sailor step right, lock step left, lock step left. Let's do that by the count. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So go ahead and step out right, pivot a half left, take the weight left, shuffle forward right, shuffle right. You're going to do a full turn. So it's basically 2 half pivots going to your right. Looks like this. Step back left, take it back around again, right, and you're going to shuffle forward left, shuffle left. Let's go ahead and do that by the count. Remember, your weight was on your left because you did that lock step forward. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So your weight is on your left. We're going to go ahead and add on. You're going to point that right toe to the side. Then you're going to bring that right foot in and point that left toe out. Bring that left foot in, right heel forward. Bring that right foot back, left heel forward. Then you're going to bring that left foot in and do a jazz box like this. Jazz box. Take the weight. Go ahead and do that by the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. On your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8.